This video will show you how to update your phone number in your website footer. Plus stick around and I will show you 3 places to add your phone number to increase your customer service credibility and opportunity of more sales for your business. Having your phone number on your website is good for customer service, credibility, and even Google will use it to verify who you are. The examples shown today are on the Shopify platform, whether you're on the WordPress platform, the Wix platform, or any other website platform. You can take tips from these videos and use it to apply to updates to your own website. When it comes to updating your website, there's a couple of places you can do it on the Shopify platform. When we're looking at the footer, there's usually set templates in your theme. Before we jump in to our active theme, I always recommend you click the drop down and you duplicate what you have available. That way, if you are doing any changes to your live theme and it's not quite right, or you've accidentally made an error, you have a backup ready to go and you can go and publish that live instead, and therefore your changes won't make any negative impact on your site. So once you've done the duplicate and you know it's sitting down below, what we want to do is click the big green button that says customize, and you'll come into the front end of your store. What we do, there's actually 2 ways, and I love how they've done updates in Shopify. If you come down through the front homepage for your website here, you'll notice that these blue lines go around. Down here in the footer, there's a contact us here. If I click here, it will automatically open up exactly over here what I want. Now in here, to change the phone number, all I have to do is go in to this box and I can change the phone number in here. The client here actually wants 2 different phone numbers added, which is perfectly fine based on their circumstances. So all I'm going to do in here is add in the phone number. This phone number is the right one that needs to be in there now, and there's an additional one. This phone number is for one location, and then we also have another phone number that needs to be added in. This phone number is for one location, as you can see, and then underneath I'm going to put the second location. All I have to do there is click save, and that's updated in the footer. Now if you're wondering where else to add your phone number for maximum impact, it is great to actually have it, in addition to being in your footer, on your About Us page. In this example, we show the phone number is perfectly positioned as a call to action at the base of the main copy on the About Us page. And whilst it's not clickable on desktop, when you're on a mobile phone it absolutely is, because it's in the right format, using the international code here for Australia with the plus sign. Drop the 0 off as well. Next, after you check out your About Us page opportunity, it's going to your Contact Us page, and on here we've actually got 2 phone numbers, much the same as the footer. Again, it's in a natural sentence, in sequence, it's nice and easy to find, and we're in the right format. The third place here is going to the frequently asked questions page, and on the FAQs page we have it here again in a sentence. If you have any questions not featured, please don't hesitate to call us on, and the phone number is displayed here. pop your phone number in these 3 logical places that a customer would typically look when they would like to phone you, and it gives you the opportunity to build trust and that opportunity for them to get in contact with you easily and increase your chances of getting more sales. Also, it's important to note in 2022 and beyond, people will be calling you on their mobile phone, which means they usually will be getting your phone number by Googling you on their phone on your mobile website. Make sure your phone number is clickable, and that means make sure your phone number's in the right format. If you're a local business and you're within your own country, don't worry about the country code. International businesses need to make sure you've got the plus and the country code, drop the 0 and then the phone number. Examples shown in this video so you get an idea of what to do. These little things make all the difference to make sure you're not just putting the phone number on your website to look good, we want it to work as well. Found this tip useful? Give this video a like and let me know.